Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a butter crock by LOVECASA, and it says please open from this side, so I guess that's a pretty important thing to follow. So let's open up, see what we get, and then I will show you how these work, why you need one. And it's our dog Sophie in the background. She's rambunctious. Right, so okay, you want to say hi? Okay. So let's open this up. So this is the crock, and my arch enemy, styrofoam. Styrofoam just gets everywhere. Alright, so let's open up the crock. Alright, so it comes in basically two pieces. And before I do a demonstration, I'm actually going to wash it off so to get the manufacturing process off it, and then we'll show you how it works. So okay, so I have these washed out thoroughly. And you're probably wondering why I have some water here, and that's because there is actually a water line at the bottom here. And what the water line does is it helps seal in freshness of your butter. And what you do is you just pour in water to the water line, and bring it close to the camera so you can kind of see. So that little ridge in there is your water line. It's not that much. And then I take a little bit of salt, and I put that in there, and that helps to seal in the freshness and keep the water in good condition. Then your top, what you're doing is you're taking your butter, you're basically unwrapping it without getting any butter on your hands. Then you're basically putting it into this crock, and then you are kind of using a spoon or something to kind of mush it down. And what this does is, normally to spread butter, you need it at room temperature. It's the only way to really get butter to spread perfect and evenly. And so what you do is you put it in this, and you can store it on your counter, and then when you turn it upside down and it sits in the water, it basically seals it in freshness. And then what you want to do is you want to push this down, and this will work with East Coast and West Coast size butters. I never knew there was actually a size difference between butters until I lived in the West Coast, and there's actually a size difference between bars of butter that you can actually buy at the supermarket. So, pretty interesting fact. But you want to push this down, and you want to squeeze out any of the air bubbles. So basically you have a consistency kind of like this, and then you're basically turning it upside down, and you're putting it into the to the water, and you can actually, you'll feel like a slight bit of buoyancy in there. And basically what that is doing is it is pushing out the air and sealing in the freshness. And then when you're ready to serve, you just basically push it up, and you are ready to start using butter on your toast or whatever you need it for. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and enjoy your butter. Be safe out there.